It was time to break into the laundry room. Dressed as, I don't know, John Bon Jovi, Tam, Chrissy and I's mission was to break into all of the 3 laundry rooms.
You look amazing. You need to, like, wear it like that.
We needed to be quiet, stealthy and not get caught by Dad Joe, who was on the lookout.
Joe cancelled my card.
Did he? Oh,
Look.
I haven't not.
The mission, again, was to be quiet, stealthy and subtle. So, in rocks Chrissy with her very subtle outfit.
Why do you look like a young Dolly Parton?
Don't be frightened. We're in. Hello. Hello. Nice to see you. Won't be a memento. We're just not.
Oh, you can't come in.
Oh,
Too late. Sorry.
Okay, with the level 7 laundry room ticked off, it was time to go to level 8.
Stop. What are you doing there for?
Cadbury Cream Eggs!
I was supposed to be on Dad's side, Team Joe, but then...
Now look.
Oh, yes, absolutely. I will do anything. One more Cadbury Cream Egg and I'm yours.
Then we made our way to the final laundry room on deck 3, where Dad Joe was waiting for us.
So... Team!
Oh, God,
Oh, that was so aggressive. You are so aggressive.
CPR. Oh, God, Tam's going to take you out, mate. Tam's going to take you out. God.
Shut the door! Wait for the click! Yay! No! I mean,
Come on,
stop! I haven't helped. I tried so hard to get... You didn't even let me finish that sentence before you started laughing. I'm so sorry to have let you down. I do need... am I able to get a laundry room card, though?
Because you're my assistant.
Yes.
Here's the laundry room card.
Where does this get me access to?
Any of the laundry rooms, 3, 7, or 8.
It's the one behind us. Thank you. Give me a hug.